Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes xgameruntime.dll error code 126 fix Windows 10, 11. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.